If you keep feeling drained, anxious, or off for no clear reason, it might not just be your mood, it might be your aura, your energy field not being protected. So today I'm sharing 3 signs your aura is wide open, plus a simple 30-second fix for each one. So stay with me to the end so that you can choose the one that fits you best right now. Sign number 1, you feel exhausted after being around people. That's the first sign. You feel totally wiped out after hanging with friends, going to work, or even being in a store. You might walk away thinking, I was fine before. Why am I suddenly so tired or irritated? This is usually a sign that your aura is acting like a sponge instead of a shield. You're absorbing other people's stress, their sadness, their anxiety. So here's a quick fix. Place one hand on your belly, one hand on your heart. Take a deep breath into your nose. And as you exhale, imagine sending all energy that isn't yours down into the earth to be recycled. And repeat silently, I release what is not mine. My energy returns to me now. Even 30 seconds of this after an interaction can completely shift how you feel. Sign number 2, your mood changes suddenly and for no reason. You feel okay 1 minute and the next you're angry, sad, or anxious, but nothing actually happened to you. Often this isn't random. Your aura is so open that you're picking up the emotional weather of the room, the house, even social media. And here's the quick fix. Imagine a dimmer switch on your chest and turn it down just a little, not off, just to a comfortable glow. And breathe in and say silently, I choose what I feel. And breathe out and imagine sending any extra chaotic energy away from your field. This is you turning down the volume on everyone else and turning up your own center. The third sign, you can't stop thinking about other people's problems. You keep replaying their stories in your head. You lie in bed worrying about their breakup, their job, their drama more than your own life. That's a sign your aura has cords, energetic threads that are still plugged into your field. So here's the quick fix. Close your eyes and picture one of those cords between you and that person or situation and see it clearly without judgment. And breathe in and say silently, I send your energy back to you with love. And breathe out. And I call my energy back to me now. And imagine the cord gently dissolving into light. You're not cutting them off emotionally. You're just giving both of you your own space back. And if you recognize yourself in any of these signs, nothing is wrong with you. It means you're sensitive and you're highly attuned. You haven't been taught how to protect your aura yet. Your energy field is sacred. And when it's clear and protected, you feel more like yourself, grounded, calm, and less reactive to everyone else's energy. And if you want a deeper reset, I've created a full aura detox and protection meditation that you can do right after this video. And if you'd like more 30-second aura rinses and protection practices, hit subscribe and tell me in the comments which sign showed up for you the most. Your awareness is the first step in your protection.